just like me. Okay, I want to get her nice and smooth, guys, so I might be squeezing regular for like a quick second before I add any more. So if y'all like that, stay. If you don't like it, exit stage left. But I actually want to mix this one fully because on all my other stuff, I didn't really mix it all the way. And now that I have an epoxy, I can really do that. Or maybe I'm really just tired of sneezing. Guess you'll never know. Epoxy, yes. These sponges got my hands hurting though. Y'all think we gonna break the other set of sponges in next live? Cause Lord, this is a hand workout. I should have asked people to send me some sponges that was broken in. Epoxy. And I love how I be like complaining but still squeezing the sponges that are hurting my hands. But how else are we gonna get it broken in, you know? Thank y'all for tapping the screen. Thank you for the likes. Sorry I missed the pazoo and got rid of y'all hard work. But we're gonna get back up there. I believe in you. I believe in all of you. Whew. My hands are tired. Yes, please break it in. Please. 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 I'm struggling. Y'all did not think it was going to be this hard. I think I'll be underestimating things. Because on the birthday, I'll give y'all 5 minutes to get to 10K. Girl, they don't need 5 minutes to get to no 10K. They need 10 seconds. Oh Lord, this big cheese, baby, I don't know if I can handle big cheesy. Oh, wait, I can't wait. Oh yes, girl, that legacy sponge was so pretty. I can't wait for it either. I was like, oh my gosh, it's so pretty like me. Okay guys, after this, I want that one, the big cheesy. Girl, I hope your hands are big. Hey Sponge ASMR, welcome. Thank you for all the new followers. Thank you for the gifts. Thank y'all for tapping. Alright y'all, I'm gonna add some more powder. I didn't mix as long as I thought I would, but my hands started to hurt, so yes girl. Mona, make sure you're in here at the end of the live, girlie, because I have a question. Oh, I kind of like this purple. Ooh, sorry guys. P check, no P. Okay, let me roll the sleeve up. Okay, let's add some more powder. Yes, girl, that big cheesy, baby. You better have some big hands for her. That's all I'm gonna say. Cause big cheesy, she ain't come to play. She don't come to play. Wait, just to let y'all know that. So do y'all want it all in or savor it? I'll probably do majority of it all in. Because I don't know why I be asking y'all and then I just still do whatever I want to. I always do that to people. But I feel like we all do that. I don't know where these sponges is from, girlie. Because yes, girl, you gotta see, but these sponges a little stiff, girl. I just got them, so the squeeze is bad. Oh Lord. Candiana. Go back where you came from. Sorry, Kadriana, I just missed what you said. Oh, you missed the powder? Girl, come back to us. Cause don't come bothering me. I squeezed on my own like 3 times. Kadriana, I keep missing your comments, girl. I'm so sorry. Alright, let's get back. You're okay, Southern. This is the last of the powder going in, guys. Thank you all for tapping. Thank you all for liking. Thank you all for sharing. Thank you all for being here. I hope y'all had an amazing day today. And I hope y'all having an even amazinger one tomorrow. We're gonna squeeze these. Good night, Secret. I love you. Bye. Sorry, guys. Oh, my nose is running. I'm trying to make it stop for these last squeezes. Switch it to girl. Is that Selena? No. Go here. Yeah, girl. They all be calling me that. Even people that don't follow me, they'll be like, baby, I don't even know you tell me for you to be calling me that. But everybody else I do know, I love when they call me that. I'm like, oh. Okay. Get these all soaked. Okay. No, the queen is live. Thank you. Hey, Hannah. You caught me, girl, but I'm about to go. Yeah? Okay, girlies. I hope y'all all enjoyed. I hope y'all all enjoyed. Thank you all for singing. I think the queen is gonna go. If y'all want me to, I can do a dump tomorrow of all my totes. Thank you, Tashi. I appreciate that. If y'all want me to, I will. Let me know now, and I'll plan ahead, and I'll post what time I'm gonna get on. But if not, okay, yes, okay, yeah. Good night, T. Thank you for being here, girl. I'm glad you actually stayed up. Sorry, this is kind of bad. That's my time to go. Okay, y'all. Well, I'll do a dump this weekend.